Yo, what's up, guys?
Hell yeah, what it do? It's Los Usos.
What's up, guys? We're at the same spot 5 days later.
It's not the same video.
Not the same video. Wait, not even 5. It's been 4 days.
Yeah,
4 days. We came here on Monday.
Yeah.
We got spanked, but hopefully today they beat the Tampa Bay Rays, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, boys! I'm excited. This is redemption. We got better seats this time.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this time we're gonna see first and third base, right? We're gonna be in the middle.
First and home.
First and home. So like damn near halfway across the field this time. Last time we sat by the Coke bottle.
We got an upgrade. We got what is? I can read everything that we have. We got. Here it is. Field. Well, no. The field club access. That's what it's called.
Field club access, padded seats, private restrooms, wait service, private bar, priority entry, climate control.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Yeah, priority entry might not matter too much, but
I was kind of, well, not kind of. I'm hella late, but we should get there on time. Compared to last time, we got here like around the fifth inning. Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, and I think we're good on time. So hopefully we might miss the national anthem too. You know, a little sad.
But what we about to eat, Jose? What we gonna get?
Yeah, dude, we're gonna get some of the best pizza that you can get in a stadium. Dude, we're gonna see what else we can get delivered to us. You know.
No more beers.
We had this debate. Okay. All right, guys, let us know in the comments. You guys think a seltzer is a beer?
I think a seltzer is a beer and a beer is a seltzer.
What?
But let me know what you guys think down below, bro.
Yeah, no, this brother's tripping. He wants us to sound more manlier for the Huzz. So he's been telling. He's been telling everybody that we're drinking beers, and I'm like, no, Juan, we've been drinking seltzer. I mean, we could drink beer if you want this time.
Whatever floats your boat, bro.
Whatever floats my boat. Yeah, Juan said he's gonna pay for everything.
Yeah, bro. Anything. I'm the sugar daddy.
Like, I'm literally gonna order 5 beers. I'm gonna order 3 slices of pizza.
2 beers in like less than 4 innings, bro.
Yeah.
So we were
Seltzers. No, we already. One is fertilized sugar, and the other is grain.
Same shit, bro.
Oh, dude, the science is there. It's 2 different things.
Alright, well, we'll see you guys at the stadium. Jose's. I'm gonna try to like get this through his head on the.
Oh, dude, this brother is tripping. No, this. All right, well, we'll see out there. But hey, what it do, boys? We made it to the game. This is the area we're gonna sit in. It's nice, bro. This is nice, bro. What the hell? Oh, look, you wanna get? Juan's gonna buy some merch. Let's see what he's gonna buy. A jersey, a hat, both. Damn, shit. Look, my boy.
Should I get a fitted, bro?
Hell yeah. Do you know your size?
I probably have a different size right now with my hair, bro.
The biggest size?
Do they have the buckle on the back, bro?
Come on.
Like the buckle, I see like one that you...
Oh, like a strap-on?
Yeah, like the strap-on.
Just... Oh yeah, that one. I like it. It's cool. It's simple. Ay, güey. Yeah.
He got that shit on though.
That looks good. Looks like he's a stalker. Joe, what's his name? Joe Goldberg or something? You gonna get it? Yeah. Oh yeah. Let Juan buy his hat real quick. The heat. Alright, guys, well, we're here now. We're walking to our seats. What? Oh no, right here. 110. We're C3. Damn, bro. We walk in. Damn. Slide, come on, catch your mind. Damn. Alright, boys, we're here. Damn, dude, it's popping. Nah. Puro pinche VIP.
360.
Which?
Yeah, look, what a difference, like, from the view from, like, over there to, like, here, right? Like, you can see the whole, everything. But me and Jose about to get some food right now. We're going to try out the app, and we'll see where it goes from there.
Damn. Yeah, this is a huge upgrade from Monday.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Alright, boys, we just got scored on. I don't. Oh man, God damn it. Juan, how do you feel about that?
I thought he was going to strike him out, but turns out he scored a home run. Now, was that a home run?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I forgot my baseball knowledge is getting better.
Yeah. Wish us luck. Wish me luck. I might be stressful the whole fucking night, dude. I'm gonna scream, but alright, go back, ciao. Alright, boys, we got Christian Koss on the. ¿Qué dice Juan?
What's up, guys? We just ordered our beers. Que nos aliviamos un poco. We're kind of like sleepy.
Oh, yeah! Holy shit! I'm gonna get that! Let's go! Holy shit! Let's go! Yeah! Finally, I got that on camera! Yes!
Ready, okay?
I was fucking ready! Finally! Hell yeah, boys! God damn. Yeah! 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 Woo! Oh yeah! This dumbass dropped the ball! What a effing idiot! Ah! Let's see if we can get that. What a dumbass! Hell yeah! Damn! W's in the chat. Damn. What you think about that, bro?
Got heated right there for a minute, bro.
That's crazy.
What you think was that against you?
I'm hyped. These are about to wake me up. Let's see, bro. Let's get another hit. Come on, McCray. Oh, no. Oh. Ah, boo. Well, it's only one out. Alright, who's up? Ramos. Ah, it's not playing. Cheers. Let's go. Morning. Alright, Devers is up to plate. Last time we saw him hit a home run. Can he do it again? Can he do it again? A ver. De ahí va.
I got the 30 mil.
Damn, bro, come on. That was a strike, okay.
Aflójale las pompis, papi.
Ponte las pilas. A huevo, güey. Oh, damn, dude.
Looking rough,
Ponte las pilas. Oh, come on, man. Hit that shit. Right there. Ah, okay. Next one. It's in the middle. Bombs away.
Yeah, you remember when you took the last
Well, yeah, when I predicted it, dude. Ahí va a ser. Ah, shit. Never fucking right. Yeah! Come on! Get the fuck out! No fucking way! Hell yeah, that's what I like. Oh my god. I told you, but you never know. Have it ready. Have it ready.
Es hora de comer.
Hey, what's up with y'all boys? So we got the pizza. You see it? That shit bussin', can't wait to fucking eat it. I'm gonna destroy that motherfucker. Bro, we got a discount. Dude, we got a discount on the pizza, bro. That shit was supposed to be like $34.
And it was like 22 though.
Yeah. Well, I tipped her, so it was like 26. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, no. Nah, it's this one. Bro, Juan's gonna take us to the wrong seats. Bro. But, dude, we about to eat hella good. But yeah, dude. I better have fun. You wanna give us a taste? Take a bite, Nah, it tastes like heaven, huh? Tastes better than pussy?
I don't know about all that.
You wanna walk in, bro?
It's at the same level though. Give me a chew taste then.
That's us? Okay. Oh my god.
10 out of 10.
That gets 5 big booms. Nah, that shit's delicious, dog. Alright, we're going back to our seats though. What 5 big booms on the pizza. Yeah! Go score! Go! Yeah! Woo! Hell yeah! Oh damn! Oh my god, look at that, I started recording. Oh! Oh man! What a fucking hit, man! Hell yeah!
We up 5-3 now?
Huh?
5-3?
Yeah, it's 6-3. Oh man, dude, we went up. Hell yeah, boys! Oh my god, we might win. We might finally win. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There's a.
We go 1-1.
I bet.
1-1.
There's a tear coming down my leg. Come on, Juan, sing it. It's bye, bye, baby. It's bye, bye, baby. Hell yeah, brother. San Francisco Giants. It's bye, bye, baby. Woo! Look, the cameraman. I'm recording the cameraman. The cameraman's gonna record us. No, who the fuck is that? No way. Oh no, we are. Oh shit, that's us. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look, oh damn. You missed it. Oh shit, I was fine. Bro, look at this shit.
Look, bro.
Oh. Happy birthday. My birthday was yesterday. Everybody clap.
Your birthday too, bro.
Not really. Yeah, then we got on the big screen. Shit, that's fucking cool.
Number 41, Bob Seymour.
Look, we were being recorded from like over there.
Low key, bro.
Like over here, we're being recorded. Damn, that's hella cool. Wow, dude. Wow, $47 down the drain, but we got recorded. Hell yeah. Should have put on the Snapchat Los Usos. Los Usos YouTube channel. Damn.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Nos perdimos el promo. Hell yeah.
$125, bro. $125 promo.
We'll split it. Now, yeah, I'd rather buy popcorn than a beer.
Yeah.
Bro, it's 6-6, bro. One more run, it'll literally be 6-7. One more run, it'll be 6-7. Oh, are we gonna cheer when it happens?
Oh, they're right there. Is that third base already?
No, that's a. Oh. Well, now it's tied again. We go up by 3, and then these motherfuckers just come back.
Oh, look, bro.
Oh man, I'm not liking this, bro. I'm not like.
They're gonna be up right now.
We gotta get beers. Get the code. Get the code.
I got it.
Oh hell yeah, we're gonna get a discount on it. What a fucking W. Oh, you can do it and I can do it. Oh hell yeah. Oh my god, what was it? SF Giants?
Enter for your chance to win a Giants jersey and hat, courtesy of Heineken. Every pledge to be a designated driver will earn you a complimentary
Hell yeah.
in 00.
It worked.
Scan the QR code or
Yeah.
text Giants.
You don't have Uber Eats, huh?
0604 to enter for your
I have
chance to
it.
win.
I think. I could download it. I already have it downloaded.
Just get all the food we can get. Alright, Juan, what would you do if we're on the kiss cam? Something on the cheek or what? I'm recording on the phone, so.
I'll be like,
Oh yeah. How about we get 2 women on the screen? If you see a notice in the quality, I'm on my phone this time.
hey, Jose, like, if we get put on this girl, I'm gonna be like this.
Oh yeah, update. Me and Juan are gonna drink not 1, not 2, but 3 cut waters.
I already feel it, bro.
His brother looking like a Brad Pitt after his divorce. My brother's sad, bro.
All these kisses, but I can't even.
He needs to do it in his life. So yeah, like you guys saw in the last clip, I hope I put in. We're gonna drink 3 cut waters. If you're an alcoholic, you know that's a lot of. It's powerful, bro.
1.5%.
Oh my god. Luckily, we didn't drive here.
Mexico, bro.
Oh, saludos. Saludos. Dile adiós, hola al YouTube, al YouTube.
Saludos. Mándale saludos a la cámara. Hazle así. Hazle así.
Dale un girl.
Juanito, dame un girl. Un girl. Un girl.
¿Qué?
Aquí andamos en San Francisco.
No! No! Yes! Yes! Woo! Oh, damn, that was fucking close. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. Oh, dude, thank God. Juan's on the phone with his cousin from Mexico.
Say what's up to the boy.
What's up? What's up? Yeah, guys, they made our newest member.
Straight from the motherland, bro.
De la Jalisco, right? Yeah, for the motherland.
De Madrid, de Madrid.
A la Madrid. Let's get arriba las chivas.
Juanito, dame un burrito para las chivas.
Oh shit, the
Un
Mike.
grito, Juanito. Oilo.
Ay, güey. Ay, madre.
Alright, after this one, after this one.
Oh, come on, man. What the hell was that? Oh my god. Bruh. My mom and my dad are gonna be like, hey, bro, ¿te pusiste pedo? I'll be like, yeah, they told me buy two cut waters and we gave you popcorn for free. And I said, oh shit, ah.
He drops it. He drops it. What a bitch,
Yeah.
bro. What a bitch. Say what a bitch.
What a fucking bitch.
What a bitch.
We're gonna enter the 8th inning, 6-6. Technically, we got in the 6-7.
6-7.
We gotta stand up.
Do you record the entire game?
No, we just record whatever we think is funny. Subscribe. Somos, wait, somos piratas de béisbol.
That's crazy.
That's how funny that she knows that we record.
Lucky, I thought no one would notice, bro. I thought we were invisible.
Wow. Brother thought we were the Sue Storm.
We were just pulling like an invisible blow, bro.
This is our job. Your job is to do this. That was,
We should have been like, your job is to watch the game. Our job is to record.
Went on about your day. This is my job, though. That's like someone telling me, your job is not to tell people they can't record. Your job is to make the drink, right?
My job is to tell people that they can't record.
No.
your job is to put the drink in the cup.
Your job is to put the fries in the bag. Our job is to eat the fries in the bag.
Your attention, please.
Oh shit!
Giants number 70, Jose Buto.
Look at me.
You're looking for you, okay?
That's the guy goes like this.
Let's see, Jose.
That's how I be in the club. Except nobody gets in front of me. See, and what would your walk song be?
Someone gotta walk in front of Jose, bro.
No, what would your walk-up song be?
Oh, my bad, bro. I remember I had this question one time, and I said Big Papa by Biggie Smalls.
Biggie Smalls? If I was a pitcher, I'd come out to Gasolina.
That's a good answer.
Because I'd be throwing gasolina.
I'm about to have, not even half of the water down, and I'm already feeling the effects of it.
Almost done with the third one.
What's it taste like now? Water?
It tastes like cut water.
Shout out Cut Water.
Sponsor us.
Sponsor us.
That way. Have you record us? Record us.
Part 2.
Te hago todo el baile.
Oh, I got to get the...
There you go, record us.
¡Pendejo! 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 El árbitro dice, no mames, no me la creo.
Ready? I got you. Hey.
Hey, we got it.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
2 times, bro.
Fuck yeah.
2x. Dale beso.
No homo.
No homo or something.
The camera. Guys, we showed up on the Jumbotron again.
2 times.
A few moments later.
Bruh. No, I was too drunk.
No! Oh. Juan didn't get us on camera, bro. Ah.
That was an L.
Wow. You were the one that showed up on the screen too? Oh, qué re... Qué pendejo. Come on, sing it. Holy. 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 A ver. Tira. Hasta arriba, güey. Oh yeah! Yahoo! 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 Yahoo!
Dance it, Jose. Dance it, Jose. It's time for the circle.
A ver. Well, says my mom. Wait. There's Ash ain't free.
What time is it, Jose?
It's clobbering time. It's Cutwater time.
It's go water time.
Drink responsibly.
Take Bart. Don't drive. Make some noise, Jose.
A few moments later.
I'm lucky, bro.
Ew, don't fucking touch me with the hat. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, a bird just shit on Juan. No fucking. Oh, they got you at the rescue.
Oh, thank you.
No fucking. On your jacket too.
Strike the bird.
Execute the birds. No.
Hit the bird.
Randy Johnson his ass. No way. What are the chances? You got shit on a bird. How is that even possible?
How is that possible, bro?
When did it even hit? That's what I'm confused.
Bro, I'm about to strike the bird.
No bird rights. Fuck the birds. It was an NPC.
Oh, what was that? I thought someone hit me in the back or something.
Wait, I gotta post this on
You gotta
Instagram.
take a picture, bro. Take a picture, bro.
Oh my god, dude. Ew, I got in your hair. Ew, what the fuck?
Fuck.
Oh my god.
Fuck, it's everywhere, bro.
It looks like you guys lined by Nickelodeon.
Take another one.
Oh my god, dude.
I better find $100 on the floor right now when we get out of the game.
It's through the stadium.
Clean it up.
Oh, clean it up. Ew. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Get his ass. Take pictures.
What the fuck was that, though, bro?
Wait, can you see any of it? Okay, I think you're clear.
Clear?
I did some on the back of your head.
Who gave me the napkins, bro?
The woman behind us.
Gracias. Thank you. Bro, what are the odds of that shit happening, bro?
They're like very little, bro. Is that gonna be the title of our video? Juan got shit on by him. Did you feel it? That's what I'm
Dude, I felt like something like just. I thought someone behind me like lift up a towel or something and hit me in the head on accident. That's why I wasn't tripping.
That's hell.
Fuck.
hella funny, dude.
What are the odds of that? Bro,
Well,
that's gonna be the highlight of my
thank
night,
you to the
bro.
woman that gave us the napkins.
Yeah, bro, I gotta give her another thank you after the game, bro.
Fuck. Wow, what a turn of events. We went from.
Bro, I'm not even mad, bro. Tomorrow I better have the luck of my life, bro. I'm gonna have the luck of the Irish.
Yeah, is there another napkin?
Yeah. Is there more on my back?
A little bit. Look, guys. Yeah, somebody smell like shit. Ugh, your hair. You might have to take a shower. Yeah, get a utiza, bro.
Bro, it's hella.
No!
Bro.
No! 6-7, no!
6-7!
No!
We should have been the other way.
The right fielder, number 15, Josh Love.
Fuck, we're losing the game in the 9th inning. That stupid bird cursed us. 6-7!
I don't know where. I got shit on a bird for nothing.
You were supposed to be the human sacrifice. Fuck, well, I guess now we're both losing, right? You got shit on my bird, now my team is losing. Wow, what terrible.
Turn of events, bro.
Wow, man.
They fucking play like the life song.
Let's go! Let's fucking go! Oh! 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 Let's go, Giants! Come on, man. Get a hit. Just that's all you need, bro. That's all you need is a hit. No.
Is that raps? Is that raps?
We lost 6-7, bro. You can't even make this shit up. We lost 6-7. We got 6-7 on. Well, another day, another fucking loss. God damn. We were winning 3-1, 6-3, and we fucking lost.
I have no words, guys.
We can't make this shit up.
You can't make this shit up. This is my second Giants game. They failed me 2 times in a row. I thought we were going to get a dub today. I thought we were going to be able to even out 1-1. That's it. I give up. I give up being a Giants fan this season. Fucking tired of this shit.
Wow. Wow.
3 cut waters for this shit. It would have been nice if we would have got a dub. We would have been able to celebrate, but now we got to head home and just think about 7 at 6 while we sleep.
Hey, Juan got shit on by a bird.
I got shit on a bird for nothing. No luck on the Giants for this one.
And we're gonna miss Wahidi tomorrow. God damn. Well, sell the team.
Sell the team is crazy.
Fuck, man. Let's get him la pinche. Oh, man. Fuck, dude. Sell the team.